In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password for your Berkshire Bank account if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in berkshirebank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Berkshire Bank. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top section and the login portal will show up. Now just select your account type from the drop-down menu and then enter your user ID. Now click on the continue button and this will take you into the sign-in portal. You can click on continue with security code and then you will need to verify your phone number. Select your phone number from the given list and then you can select from whether you want to be called or texted. After selecting your option, click on the continue button and you will receive your one-time login code to log into your account. You can then enter your code and click on the Forgot Password button, and after verifying your information, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. After setting up a new password for your account, you can simply continue logging in with your security code and the new password that you just set up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password in Berkshire Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.